Hello, everybody. So today we will be talking about an annotated source. We will be going through each part of the source and that its significance towards the topic that I have chosen. This specific source is on the Russian-Ukrainian war. Its title is listed right here. It would usually have a author coming right here at the beginning of the cited source, but there was no author listed, so we left that blank and put in the title instead. So the where it's coming from is Al Jazeera. This is a company in the Middle East that covers world news. And they published this on March 9th of 2023, and I was able to access it 29th of March 2023. The summary and evaluation, we want to be able to see where this source is coming from, which would be Dubai, and they are covering the Russian-Ukraine war since the beginning. And as you can see, it was day 399 a couple weeks ago. This specific source was able to give a complete rundown of the events that have taken place in the Eastern European War. So we could see that it was that the source was calculated, and the source was able to present facts from sources that of their own that were actually in Ukraine. So the source was close to the events, if not inches away. So Al Jazeera went to Ukraine, and they were able to have journalists present information about the war for the last 399 days. This fits into my argument in the fact that it can provide a complete overview of the events that occurred within the 399 days of war, and it will be able to give the reader a complete overview of the events and the key moments of the war.